It just came fast.
Okay, Sparky.
All right. Last minute holiday gifts. Christmas just a couple of days away.
OVLED.
Yeah, that's on here. So there's a few things on here. So it's said that males between 18 and 30 are the biggest procrastinators when it comes to shopping. Yeah.
No. Say
not-
it ain't
not-
so.
Oh, all. Not millennials. This is not millennial. This is forever. All 18 and 30-year-olds. Like when I was between 18 and 30, I didn't rush out. I always procrastinated. So it's an age thing, period. And it's guys.
Guys,
I
in
have my
general.
younger brother to this day. He's no 30-year-old anymore, but he won't shop till Christmas Eve.
Yep, me too. There you go.
All right. See, Ron, there you go. So you're still like 30.
Yeah, well, 18. What was the lower end of that?
Yeah, 18 to 30.
Yeah,
Yes.
there you go.
All right. So depending on the people that you're looking for and, maybe your budget, but if you know somebody that loves to cook, then I would suggest the best thing to get them is cutlery. And if you can only afford one knife, get a 7-inch chef's knife, and that would be your go-to knife forever.
Yeah.
Now, the reason is a chef's knife is the one that has a 7-inch or 9. You get a 7-inch long blade, but it has a tall blade. And the reason you want the tall blade is you put your knuckles against it when you're cutting. This way you can't cut yourself. There's nothing worse than watching somebody use a knife like a saw, and then they wonder why they cut themselves. So anyway, $49 for a Zwilling at Walmart.
Where? What was it? What was that called?
Zwilling is a brand. Anyway, $49 at Walmart.
Okay.
So buy good ones. Don't buy Ginsu's and junky stuff. All right. Stainless steel bowls. Always get for cooking. Always use stainless steel bowls, and I do not like them where they have rubber on the bottom or rims or even Tupperware tops. Just plain.
Why don't you like it when they
bowls.
have rubber on the bottom?
Because you can't use it as a double boiler, and it also insulates it. If you're trying to make fresh whipped cream, you have to put the bowl in a bowl of ice, and that insulates it. So if it's steel to steel, you can make all these things.
See, Robbie? See?
You make
Stainless
fresh
steel
whipped cream?
bowls are a great gift.
Yes, I would guess that he does, yes.
You make fresh whipped cream.
Yes.
See?
What do you buy that crap in a can?
See?
Buy heavy cream and just hit it hard. It's great.
We got to go to Rich's house for dinner. That's what you need to do.
Absolutely.
See?
I've never been invited there. Have you?
No.
Then you take that chocolate pudding and you fold it in, and you got a hell of a mousse. Just saying. All right.
Who knew?
For the DIYers, you can always use multi-driver sets. DeWalt has a new rapid load set that's really awesome. You put that in the chuck of your screw gun.
Yeah.
And it has the collar that you just pull back and it releases everything.
Sure.
So they have drill bits and drivers, the whole set, 27 pieces. The thing is as low as $24.99. It's a DW2504. It's an awesome little kit that you can keep in your junk drawer, your tool thing.
Okay.
And you'll always have what you need. But again, if you're trying to drill pilot holes that run screws, it's awesome because you got the drill bit all set up on it.
Oh, is that the one that flips where you flip it over and it's got the tip on
No,
one
actually
side?
it doesn't flip. Those are neat, but they're too long. But this is it's a set of all the different drivers, but then it has drill bits. But it is a quick change collar.
Okay, got it.
Another one is which your favorite, the Leatherman multi-tool.
You mean this one right
here? So these
here?
are for guys that have every tool known to man that can't bear to be away from them. So they always keep one with them.
I need one in my pocket at all times.
Yes, mine's in my truck glove box. I don't keep it in my pocket.
Oh no, mine's in my pocket.
Yeah. Anyway,
You
so it
never
gives you
know when
comfort because you always have it.
You never know when you're going to have a door to fix. I mean, come on.
That's right.
Or a package.
But here's the thing: they make lots of knockoffs, but you can buy the Leatherman at pretty much every box store and sporting goods store, anywhere from $34.95 to $110.
Yep.
Depending on what features you want, the finish, because I get that charcoal black, whatever. That's $110. It's cool looking, but does the same thing as the $50 one.
Right. Now, I would say if it is somebody that's going to keep it in their pocket, you're going to want to go with a thinner one. You don't want too bulky of a blade or a knife container. See, that's pretty thin right there. That's kind of what you're looking for. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to you, Rich.
Okay, sir. The next one down the list was the OVLED headlamp. I had to throw that in, $15 on Amazon, but we've talked about that already, so let's keep going.
Yep.
Now, for the pro, if you got somebody in your family that really knows what they're doing, I suggest that maybe you go into the electrical aisle and get some Klein tools.
Ooh.
Now, Klein tools, here's the thing. At Home Depot, they have the MPZ 0007 OR kit. Now, what that is, it's a pair of original Klein cutters, the tool that started it all, a pair of strippers, and an electrical tester. That 3-piece kit is only $35.
No.
Yes.
Wow.
$34.88. That's a hell of a deal for Klein's strippers and
Yes.
electrical tester.
Yeah, that is.
So that one I would run out for. When it comes to drills and drivers, get good ones. Don't fall for the cheapy versions, because these will last you the rest of your life if you treat them right.
Yes.
But 18-volt minimum. I think you can get 20s and 24s obviously all day long. But when you buy it, make sure you look for a 1/2-inch hammer drill, and the other tool would be the 1/4-inch impact. But don't fall for the 1/2-inch drill with the impact. Make sure it's a hammer drill.
Yes.
Because sooner or later, you're going to have to drill into either concrete or something. You may not use it often, but when you need it, it's good to have it.
Yes.
And it's only a little bit more money. But those kits have gotten pretty expensive, and you can look around. I think the Bosch set is about $299 at Big Orange.
Okay.
But if you look around, you might be able to find them cheap.
Okay. You got a minute left.
Okay. So for the hobbyist, I was looking around. I thought people that sew use those things.
Okay.
I Googled sewing things, and nothing came up. So people that sew, no offense, you're on your own. Seriously, nothing came up. I was like, really? Last minute skits for people that sew? Nothing. I got books on like 5 Christmas crafts, that kind of thing. But that's not what I meant.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really weird. So anyway, I like to shoot. So I think a gun cleaning kit for somebody that likes to shoot, those are always nice because you're always running out of wads.
Yes. Yep.
And then my favorite is the Scotch of the Month Club.
Scotch of the Month Club?
Yeah,
there
just send
you
me
go.
a bottle every month.
Randall just loved that one. We'll be back right after this.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return